Hello guys, it's Artem. I want to make update for Bitcoin on daily chart and show you what is happening right now and what to expect from the price action on this last days of this week and on the next week as well. So first and first, don't forget to put thumbs up below this video, share your like, and of course write me a comment. What do you think about the price? What is your strategy for Bitcoin? I really love to know that, and I really glad to conversate with you and discuss the further move of Bitcoin. So on Bitcoin, here we are in the middle of the $10,000 range, and right now we are approaching the apex of the triangle. You can see that I highlighted this area with big green triangle. We are here since start of the May, and we didn't move on a lot. You know, we are in the same range, $10,000 and 8,600. So in this range, and we are sloping down here to the apex of triangle, and this is apex of triangle is common known zone for taking the decision, right? So the bulls and bears trying to figure out who is on the charge and where we're going to go. So at my opinion, we can have here a few different setups, and here is why. First of all, don't forget about fake out. Okay, the fake out is where the price going to the one side of the triangle, but then suddenly something changing and it going down against the crowd. So we can have a two fake out here. We can have fake out from the bullish side, and we can have a breakout from the bearish side. So in order to avoid that, first of all, you have to wait. You know, I know it is so difficult sometimes to wait for a trade, but it is a lot of the times on the market when no trade is the best option for some circumstances. So I thinking that we should have some confirmation levels, and for me, in order to avoid fake out from this triangle, from this zone, I set up for myself two important breakout levels. For bullish, this is confirmation level 9,800, and for bearish, it's 8,600. These two levels I will use in order to protect myself from the fake outs inside the range. And as maybe you know, I'm a mostly swing trader, so I'm trading for some periods, like from weeks and months. So that's why I'm focusing on these two levels. Of course, inside this range, this pretty wide range, 9,600, 8,600, well, it is pretty wide range, and you can have a lot of trades here. I understand that. If you are a day trader, then you can go for it and try to trade intraday patterns. Okay, but here we are on daily chart, so that's why these two levels of 9,800 and 8,600, these two levels are really important for midterm and for long term as well. So for bearish breakout, I expect that the price can go if we are crossing 8,600, if we're crossing it on daily, if we are having some action here and then go down, then we are bearish in a local trend, and we are possibly going to reach zone of 7,200. And here is why 7,200. First of all, that you can see here in the middle of the April, we had this zone without levels. Like we just broke the 7,800 and go to the upside without any actual trading ranges, without nothing. So I think that it is small gap here, and we are probably can go to close it. Sometimes it happens, but if we are not going to go below 8,600, then what? Then I'm thinking that if we're going to cross 9,800, actually this is my favorite setup, if we're going to cross 9,800, then we are probably midterm bullish, and then we will probably see, 12K in August or maybe in September. But this is possible. And so that's why I'm counting on these two levels here, trying to avoid inside trades, because I don't really like to trade current range. It's pretty tricky one. If you go to intraday chart, they are really messy and a lot of fake out to the upside, to the downside. So that's why I'm focusing on midterm trade. So yeah, here's the simple strategy that I'm sharing with you, and here is my thoughts about daily chart. I hope you understand that. If you have something different on mind, please share your comments. If you agree with me, share your likes and comments as well. So yeah, stay tuned. This is Artem Crypto. Goodbye.